Hey guys, good morning. Hey, I want to talk about the dollar and the euro. So this is a good call that we've had, right? We've been talking about for several weeks now. Well, this is the weekly chart. So really going back to the beginning of October, we said, hey, maybe this is the beginning of the next longer term leg higher. And we said the first place to test would be up into this 100 area, right? So when we go to the daily chart, again, we had that small consolidating, um, ascending wedge right here, and we broke above pi. You got the pullback, and we said you get a higher low here after new higher highs relative to the high here in July. That was this higher low. You should expect a new higher high, and so that's what we've got. Now we have this resistance going back to last year. Um, so we'll see how the market reacts up here. But this is still very bullish. So we need to take profit into here. I got flat on all my dollar futures. Okay, I mean, it was a rough week last week, being long gold and being long um, treasuries. But like we said, I liked being long the dollar, and it's tough to be wrong on both gold and the dollar. So being long the dollar and short the euro actually kept us in the game pretty well last week. So then we can just do the reverse. And again, now that we've taken out 108, 108 and a half, there was a little bit of support here. This was pretty weak, and that's broken. So we're basically on this level here at 1715, the lowest from the beginning of the year. But this is just minor. This is a 2-day move. The real big low, where we had the big move off the bottom, was all around 105.25. Okay, so that's what our call was. We said this is probably the start of the next move lower. We actually sold into that, the pre-election or the election announcement, sold into that covering, right? So I still think we're going to go through 106. But we're oversold right here. You can see this is the daily, right? We're lower than the cycle. This is not a place to go long. This is a place to cover. All right, short, and now we're just covering. This was our core short that I was building. So I think we're oversold here even on the near-term chart. So you can book some. All right, lower than the cycle on the 15-minute. So I might cover a tad bit more, but I want to keep a piece for 105. 106, 105 is the next big place that I want to cover. All right, guys, hope that helps. We can talk some other markets. I just wanted to keep this brief on the dollar and the euro.